Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Silicone Dough Rolling Bag is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any home baker looking to achieve perfectly even dough every single time, eliminating the frustration of sticking and ensuring a smooth, effortless rolling experience that will elevate your baking game to professional levels. Number 5. LIMNUO Extra Thick Silicone Baking Mat, Red, M, 16x20. Crafted from premium food-grade silicone and reinforced fiberglass, this mat is designed for durability. It's stain-proof and stick-resistant, ensuring it will serve you for years to come. Experience the difference with its double thickness, nearly twice as thick as standard mats. This superior construction makes it exceptionally durable for all your baking needs. Enjoy a truly non-stick experience. Even sticky dough or grease wipes away easily, keeping your workspace clean and sanitary after every use. The innovative mesh design on the bottom ensures it stays firmly in place. You can confidently roll out dough without worrying about it sliding or bunching up. Cleaning is a breeze, just rinse with soapy water or pop it in the dishwasher. It can be easily rolled or folded for convenient storage, saving you valuable kitchen space. What we like? This mat is built to last with premium materials and double thickness for superior durability. Its anti-slip bottom ensures it stays put while you work. If you're looking for a robust and reliable baking surface that can handle frequent use and prevent frustrating slips, this is the one for you. What people say. The silicone dough rolling bag is easy to use and clean. It is a great tool for rolling out dough evenly. The bag is durable and holds up well to repeated use. Number 4. Stasher Stand-Up Mega Bag. Introducing the Stasher Stand-Up Mega Bag, made from premium platinum food-grade silicone. It features a leak-free pinch lock seal and is completely free from harmful chemicals. This reusable container is designed to replace hundreds of single-use plastic bags every year. It's a sustainable choice for your everyday needs. Our bags are safe for use in the dishwasher, microwave, and oven up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. They are also perfect for sous vide cooking. With plenty of room, this large bag is ideal for bulk shopping, freezer storage, or even organizing kids' craft supplies. Its secure seal ensures contents stay put. Cleaning is simple, just toss it in the dishwasher or wash with warm, soapy water. Designed for endless reuse, it's built to last. We stand by our product with a lifetime warranty. If your bag is damaged through normal use, we'll replace it, ensuring you have a reliable storage solution forever. What we like? This bag is made from platinum food-grade silicone with a secure, leak-free seal, offering exceptional safety and reusability. If you prioritize eco-friendly food storage that's versatile for various uses from freezer to microwave and comes with a lifetime guarantee, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The silicone dough rolling bag is a game-changer for bakers, making it easy to roll out dough without sticking. Its non-stick surface ensures that dough releases effortlessly, saving time and reducing frustration. The durable silicone material is easy to clean and can be reused multiple times, making it an eco-friendly choice. Number 3. Think 4 Earth Premium Reusable Bread Bags, 2-pack. Introducing our premium reusable bread bags, crafted from recycled plastic bottles. They offer a sustainable way to keep your baked goods fresh, contributing to a greener planet. These bags are designed to fit most loaf sizes, from baguettes to bagels. Enjoy your favorite breads without drawstrings, simply fold and clip to keep them fresh. Cleaning is a breeze with our removable insulated liner for easy crumb disposal. They are hand or machine washable, ensuring excellent hygiene for your next bake. Our double-lined bags are perfect for freezer storage, keeping bread fresh for up to 3 months. We also offer a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. Featuring a unique roll and lock closure that doubles as a handle, these bags are easy to carry. Reduce waste on your grocery trips with this convenient and patented solution. What we like? These bags are crafted from recycled materials, offering a sustainable way to store bread. Their versatile design fits most loaf sizes and features an easy-to-clean inner liner. If you're passionate about reducing plastic waste and want a convenient, eco-conscious solution for keeping your homemade or bakery bread fresh, consider these. What people say. The silicone dough rolling bag is a great tool for keeping your dough from sticking to the counter. This bag is also very easy to clean, just wipe it down with a damp cloth. The bag is made of high-quality silicone that is durable and long-lasting. Number 2. XXL Silicone Pastry Mat. Prepare all your doughs with ease on this extra-large baking mat. It features helpful markings for measurements and conversions, eliminating the need for a calculator. This baking mat stays firmly in place thanks to its anti-slip material. You can focus on rolling out your dough perfectly without any slipping or sliding. Cleaning this dough rolling mat is incredibly simple. It's easy to wipe clean or even put in the dishwasher, saving you valuable time. Made from food-grade silicone, its non-stick surface ensures nothing adheres to it. This means you won't even need extra flour when rolling out your dough. Your purchase is protected by a 3-year extended warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund or replacement. What we like? This extra-large mat provides ample space for all your baking projects, complete with helpful printed measurements and conversion charts. It also boasts a strong anti-slip grip and comes with a 3-year warranty. If you often bake large batches or need precise measurements without the hassle, this mat is designed to make your baking process smoother and more accurate. What people say. The silicone dough rolling bag is a game changer for bakers, allowing for easy and mess-free rolling of dough. Its non-stick surface ensures that dough doesn't adhere, making cleanup a breeze. The bag is durable and can withstand repeated use, making it a long-lasting addition to any kitchen. Number 1. HOTPOP Silicone Baking Mats, 3/4 size. These baking mats are designed to fit your needs, with 3/4 sized sheets that fit most standard baking pans. They store easily, either flat or rolled up. Enjoy baking with less grease and mess. You can skip the oils and sprays, making cleanup a breeze and reducing waste. Food simply lifts right off the non-stick surface. Just wipe it clean or pop it in the dishwasher for easy cleanup after every use. Built to last, these mats are designed for repeated use with your favorite baking sheets. They are perfect for all your daily baking tasks. Made from high-quality silicone, they provide a dependable surface for all your baking creations. Use them for family recipes, holiday treats, or school snacks. What we like? These quarter-size silicone sheets are perfect for smaller baking tasks, allowing you to bake with less grease and mess. They are incredibly easy to clean, making post-baking cleanup a breeze. If you frequently bake smaller items like cookies or macarons, or if you value quick and simple cleanup after baking, these mats are a practical and efficient option. What people say. The silicone dough rolling bag is a game changer for bakers, making it incredibly easy to roll out dough without any sticking. Its non-stick surface ensures a smooth and even thickness every time, saving you time and frustration in the kitchen. The bag is also very durable and easy to clean, making it a great addition to any baker's toolkit. I love how versatile this silicone dough rolling bag is. I've used it for everything from pie crusts to cookies, and it works perfectly every time. The bag is large enough to accommodate most dough sizes, and the markings on the bag help me achieve consistent results. It's also a breeze to clean up, just a quick rinse and it's good as new. This silicone dough rolling bag has exceeded my expectations. The quality of the silicone is excellent, and it feels very sturdy. It doesn't slip around on the counter, and the dough doesn't stick to it at all. I've tried other rolling mats and bags before, but this one is by far the best. It makes rolling out dough so much easier and cleaner. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.